Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Coldfire, and today I am going to be bringing you an artist that was requested. They say that he's the Michael Jackson impersonator, and this one it says Rodrigo teaser, Michael Jackson impersonator, and he's gonna be doing Human Nature. That was a big hit for Michael Jackson. So I'm quite anxious to see when people try to impersonate people, how well they look like the actual icon, how they sound like them, if they can move like them, all the aspects of that. So this will be my first time reacting to this, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to give it a listen to it and see what I think, okay? Let's go. Okay. Okay, it's not Michael. Looks like he...
Touch her straight, electric eyes everywhere. See that girl, she knows so much. She likes the way I stare. If this is why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If this is why.
Oh.
Across the morning, the secret heartbeat begins to beat. Reaching out, without her shoulder, a dreaming of the street. This is why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If this is why.
Okay, that was insane. I really had to look closely. The one thing that really gave it away when I first zoomed in was he had blue eyes. Michael didn't. And his cheeks were more round than Michael's. But other than that, he really had Michael Jackson's look down. And his moves. Now the sound, I could tell definitely it wasn't Michael Jackson, of course. But if he's an impersonator, you don't necessarily have to sound like the actual person that you're doing. That's why they're called impersonators. I'm sure that he could have easily lip sync the songs, but the fact that he sang the song and has a good voice shows that he's running on his own merit of using his own voice, but emulating Michael Jackson's moves and looks, which there's nothing wrong with that. Actually, it's quite incredible because it gives you kind of like that Michael Jackson left us way too soon. There's a lot of people that miss him. He is the king of pop. And like I said, you know, I remember this song coming out. This, I believe, may have been before all the corruption started with him, but that I'd never believed anyways. But yeah, he had a profound impact on pop music, and Rodrigo did a great job on, you know, as an impersonator. But I got a couple more to do by him, and I'm going to do those and see. I think the other one's Billie Jean, and I can't remember the other ones. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed that video reaction. Human Nature, Rodrigo teaser, the Michael Jackson impersonator. From the US to wherever you are in the world, watching this video reaction, let me know what you guys think of this impersonator of Michael Jackson's and what you thought of it. And let me know. Okay, have a great day. Love you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.